The $10 million case won by Abby Zwerner in the fall was a civil lawsuit against Newport News Public Schools. Now the case, starting on Monday, is a criminal trial against former Richneck Elementary Assistant Principal Ebony Parker. Ebony Parker faces 8 counts of felony child neglect. It's a charge for each of the 8 bullets inside of the gun a 6-year-old student brought to the school. According to 13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth, the prosecution has to prove beyond a doubt Ebony Parker's actions or omissions in the care of children were so gross, wanton, and culpable to show a reckless disregard for human life, meaning there has to be some type of intentionality to her actions or lack thereof.
In other words, the proof has to reach that higher burden, but you have to hit all of those elements and show that the defendant had this knowledge, knew what could happen, knew how serious it could be, and then still failed to act with that knowledge.
Booth says that beyond a doubt element is the biggest difference between the civil and criminal trials.
Anytime the Commonwealth, goes to put on a criminal prosecution, they have the heaviest burden known in trial courts in the law. And so they have to shoulder that burden willingly and be prepared to put on the evidence to meet that burden. And that's the role of the Commonwealth's attorney.
When court starts next week, Booth says national attention could create issues for putting together a jury able to put aside preconceived notions about the case.
In a case like this, it may be hard to find jurors who don't have knowledge, or more realistically, will testify under oath that the knowledge that they have won't influence them one way or the other, because that's all every side is looking for, right? Fair and impartial jurors who will weigh the evidence appropriately.
We've also been told by the Newport News Commonwealth's Attorney's Office that the Hampton Commonwealth's Attorney's Office is going to be handling this case. Madison Schlegel, 13 News Now.